Now let us discuss 68. The number of moles of hydrogen molecules required to produce 20 moles of ammonia through Haber's process. Now let us try to understand what do you mean by Haber's process. Haber's process is used to produce ammonia gas. The reaction is N2 gas plus 3 moles of hydrogen gas react to produce 2 moles of ammonia gas. Here they ask that how many number of moles of hydrogen is required to produce 20 moles of ammonia. From the above equation, you observe that 3 moles of hydrogen gives rise to 2 moles of ammonia. Here we observe that hydrogen and ammonia are present in the 3:2 ratio. Here they given that at 20 moles of ammonia. Okay, 20. Here they asking that how many number of hydrogen molecules are required. Value will be 30. Why? Because by cancel of these two zeros, it will obtain the ratio of 3:2. The number of moles of hydrogen molecules required is required to produce 20 moles of ammonia is 30.